You're not getting views, you're not getting subscribers, your watch hours are not even increasing, your channel is just stuck at a point. Let me tell you, there might be just one thing you need to change in your channel that will make your channel to now start skyrocketing, that will make your views to start skyrocketing. I remember the second video I had on my channel that went viral. That particular video, do you believe that it was just one particular setting that I changed when uploading my videos that made that particular video to start skyrocket? I was just watching and seeing my views increase. Sometimes it is just one thing that you need. And in fact, there are many YouTube content creators that keep uploading their videos the wrong way. The wrong way. Sometimes you feel like you're doing the right thing, but it's just one information you need to know that would help your views to start doing very well. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step through the process of how you should rightly upload your videos for a lot more views. Okay, the first thing you need to note is before you upload your videos, you need to change the file name of your video. I remember I created a particular video some months back explaining this, how to change your file name on your phone using either an Android phone, a PC, or an iPhone. So you can go ahead and watch that one. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I use my iPhone to change my file name, because some people have complained that they have changed it, but it still doesn't reflect. So I'm going to teach you the right way to change this. Okay, I'm going to pick one video here and change the file name of this particular video. So look at this particular one that I uploaded yesterday. Now if you want to change the file name of this particular video, what most people do is to just scroll up like this, and then you can see here where it says caption. This is where they just come here to change the file name of their video, but this is actually not the right thing. It's still going to show this copy AE6 7 blah blah blah, right? And that is what is going to be showing YouTube is going to be picking this thing instead of the real file name of the video, so it actually affects your views. So what you want to do instead, right, is to come over to this beautiful icon here, tap on it. You're going to go up here and you will see save to files. Tap on save to files. This is what is going to appear. So can you see that even though the name of the file was changed there, you can still see this copy A6AE7B blah blah blah. So what you want to do is to now tap on this and then now change, right, just change the name of the file to your file name, to your video title, or whatever you want, right, the name to be. Then you just hit the save right here, and then your video is automatically saved. Now if you still come here, you will still see that it's still showing this way, but I'm going to show you how to upload it the right way. Okay, now that you have successfully changed the file name, what you want to do is to go over to YouTube. Right now, one mistake that many people make is to come over to this place that says plus, and it is not supposed to be. You see that particular plus sign that is there? It is not for every video. Let me tell you, in fact, if you want to use that plus sign, just use it for either your shorts, maybe when you want to upload your shorts, or when you want to put something on your community tab, you want to make a post on your community tab. That is when you can use that plus sign. If it is not that, please just go ahead to the YouTube Studio desktop version and upload your video. If you do not want to go through the YouTube route, you go through the Chrome route. Do you understand me? Everybody has access to this particular route. There are two routes, but before I even show you that, please note that as the same way I taught you to change your video file name is also the same way you change your thumbnail file name. Okay, so go over to YouTube, right, and then click on your profile picture. This is the first way. Click on settings, click on your data in YouTube, and allow it to load. Okay, it's going to pop up an interface where you have to click on the number of videos you have. Sometimes it will bring up an interface where it says get the app or continue to studio. Most people make that mistake. You do not tap get the app. What you want to tap on is continue to studio. Most times it brings up that particular interface for some people. Once you click on continue to studio, it's going to bring you here. This is the first route. Now the second route is to go to your phone browser and just tap on it. I'm using Chrome right now. Okay, I'm going to just tap on, can you see, I even have it there already. Just tap on studio.youtube.com and it's going to redirect you to this place. If at this point you have not given this video a thumbs up, why now? I'm waiting. Give this video a thumbs up now and you're free to subscribe. All right, do that now. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and upload a video. So you come over here to this create icon, just tap on it. You can see upload video, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast. So you just tap on upload video. Now there's a number of things you need to know. So you can see select file. Now this is where you can actually activate that file name. So if you come here to select file, don't go for this, don't go for photo library, don't go for take photo or video, go for choose file. Remember, we already saved our file name on our video, on our file rather. So you just go there and just tap on it and tap on open. So that's how to add the file name. Now if you come here, also you can see where you have reuse details here. Now if you have on any of your videos, you already have a default description information that you want to be appearing in all your videos. If you want that, you can just use reuse details on your description box. For example, if I tap on reuse details now, it's going to pop up all my videos. Then I can pick anyone that I want to use the description that that particular video has. So let's assume it's this. I'll just tap on it. This is just an explanatory video. And then you come here, you can see, do you want it to reuse the title also, or just the description, or the playlist, or the tags? So just tick whichever one you want it to reuse. Here I don't want it to reuse the title, so I'll just untick so I can put my own title. Do you understand? And then do you understand? And once you're done, just tap on reuse. So it's going to reflect here. Can you see? It's going to reflect here. Now if you look at this place, you'll see that the change, your file name has actually been changed. Had it been you hadn't changed it, what would have been here would have been that copy 6, those numbers and letters, and it's not actually doing a good job for YouTube. So also you come here to your keywords and put in your keywords, but you need to note something that's very important. You see this particular place. This place is actually very crucial, and many of us make this mistake, including me. Many of us make these mistakes. When you want to fill in your description box and you want to put in keywords, see, a particular video of yours might have gone viral, but it doesn't mean you should now use reuse details because this particular video went viral. You now use the exact thing you use in that description box for the new video because you want that video to go viral. No, that is not how to do it. If you want to do it, what you are supposed to do is every keyword you are using should be related to the title of the particular video that you are uploading. Don't just carry any keyword and place in the current video just because that one went viral. It is not advisable for your channel. So if you know that you have it on some of your videos, you can go ahead and just tweak all those things. Make them right. Make your keywords related to the title of the video that you are uploading. This particular setting can actually change the story of your channel. If you need more tips on what I do to help my channel grow, okay, you can watch the playlist that's on your screen right now. And please do not forget to leave me a lovely comment in the comment section. And please give this video a thumbs up. Do not skip my ads. So I wish you all success on your channels. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.